Hello there, welcome to the Scrapyard. I'm the Scrapyard Dev, and I'm currently working on a first-person horror game, centering around an old abandoned game show where you must explore a maze and collect artifacts to win. Using Opsive, the player can walk. Anyway, the player can also run, lean, crouch, take drugs, throw swords to break hedge walls, and teleport to random locations. Only about half of the things I just said are set in stone, so, don't get too attached to taking drugs. Anyway, there's also a pause menu. It doesn't work, but it is there. The map so far is this parking lot area that leads into this building, that leads to this path that's going to lead to the maze. But the maze isn't done yet because that's a lot of work. There's also a lot of other smaller things that I'm not mentioning because really this is just an introduction to the project and I really am just kind of rambling. Anyway, that's it for this devlog. It's pretty bad so far. But if you want to see this mess of code and random models from the Unity asset store become a full game that's maybe going to be pretty cool, subscribe. Hey, just do what you want. See you later. Bye.